Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba Akoko, Ondo State, Nigeria, and Professor Simon Ehiabhi cordially invite the general public to the 26th inaugural lecture titled Historical Consciousness, Shared Identity, and the Quest for a Restructured Nigeria, to be delivered by Professor Simon Ehiabhi on Tuesday, July 30, 2024, under the distinguished chairmanship of Professor Olugbenga Ige, Vice Chancellor, Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba Akoko. Venue is the University Multipurpose Hall. Time is 2 p.m. Guests are expected to be seated by 1:30 p.m. Adekunle Ajashin University, Akungba Akoko, 26th inaugural lecture titled Historical Consciousness, Shared Identity, and the Quest for a Restructured Nigeria, to be delivered by Professor Simon Ehiabhi. Members of the university community and the general public are cordially invited. Please join us.